Hey, we never found the nature unicorns.
We'll just have to track them down later. You can only find them when they want to be found.
Elves! I hear elves! I'm going to make them all rue this day, especially that Varia. Monster unicorns!
Schnack, schnack, schnook. That's not how you play. Ugh, you people are hopeless.
But monster unicorns! Run! Run!
That was fun. I never get to do stuff like that.
You mean hide and seek?
Yeah, at least not the seeking part.
It's finished. The potion is ready.
Thank you so much, Cassandra. This means the world to us.
And thanks for letting us hang out here. If you ever want to visit the Elven Crater, you're more than welcome.
Someday I will visit. Someday.
Well, it looks like my visit is just about over. Can you take this?
No, I actually have to check up on some stuff. See you later. Bye.
There she goes being mysterious again.
No, this is where I belong. Ugh.
See? She always makes some weak excuse to leave. And the Oracle said...
You know what? I'm gonna stay after all. In the Elven Crater with you guys. My true friends.
True friends. I wish I could stay too, but...
We'll be here. You know how to find us.
I'll be back soon.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
How did it go? Full of any unicorns?
I'll tell you later. Let's get out of here.